Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best multi-cookers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Instant Pot Duo Crisp Plus Air Fryer 11-in-1, 8 quart. Instant Pot is a well-known brand and maker of multi-cookers, though the brand is often pegged as the go-to maker of pressure cookers. Spoiler alert, Instant Pot pressure cookers are multi-cookers since they offer several additional cooking programs. This 11-in-1 model pressure cooks, sautés, steams, slow cooks, sous vide, warms, air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates all with one appliance. However, it's a large unit that requires ample storage space and, at 22 pounds, might be too heavy to store away. With 11 different functions, you may wonder if the Instant Pot is confusing or difficult to use. Once you get your multi-cooker, dive right in and use it as soon as possible, advises Helwig. If you've never used one before, it may be intimidating, but practice makes perfect. Once you get past the learning curve, these appliances are really intuitive and you'll find yourself enjoying it. Of course, we have a guide to help you use an Instant Pot. Dimensions: 14.8 into 13.6 into 14.2 inches, capacity 8 quarts, wattage 1500 watt. What we love: 11 pre-programmed functions, large capacity. What we don't love: large footprint. Number 2. Second best pick is Hamilton Beach 4.5 Quart Digital Multi Cooker. If you're looking for a basic multi-cooker on a budget, consider this Hamilton Beach model. It allows you to make various types of rice and grains, sauté, steam, simmer, sear, and keep warm. While the bells and whistles of fancier multi-cookers are nice, they might not be necessary for your everyday cooking. The non-stick inner pot is removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It also includes a steaming basket for rinsing rice or steaming vegetables without oil. The easy-to-use interface of the unit has more than a dozen functions, including delay start and a programmable timer. However, those specifically looking to slow cook, pressure cook, and air fry should note this model does not have those cooking functions. Still, with 14 pre-programmed settings, this appliance does a lot more than your average rice cooker. It automatically shifts to a keep warm setting when done cooking, which is a thoughtful touch. Dimensions: 10.63 into 11.5 into 12 inches, capacity 4.5 quarts, wattage not available. What we love: affordable, multiple settings for rice and grains, 14 pre-programmed settings. What we don't love: smaller capacity, doesn't slow cook, pressure cook, or air fry. Number 3. Third best pick is Ninja Foodi 8QT 9-in-1 Deluxe XL Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer. Many multi-cookers have the same functions, so they can pressure cook, slow cook, air fry, steam, and more. What sets them apart? The Ninja Foodi stands out for several reasons. The large capacity allows up to a 7-pound chicken or 8 chicken breasts to feed a family. Cooking with Ninja's proprietary Tender Crisp technology, which locks in moisture and creates a crispy exterior, combines the best of a pressure cooker and air fryer in one. This multi-cooker offers 9 pre-programmed functions to elevate your cooking: pressure cook, air fry, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear/sauté, bake/roast, broil, and dehydrate. Inside, you'll find a dishwasher-safe ceramic-coated basket and a 2-layer reversible rack. Ninja also designed 14 safety features, so you won't end up with a messy kitchen. Though it's a pricey unit, this model replaces several appliances, and the stainless steel exterior looks nice on countertops. Dimensions: 16.1 into 14.6 into 14.3 inches, capacity 8 quarts, wattage 1760 watt. What we love: non-stick coating, 2-layer rack, safety features. What we don't love: pricey. Number 4. Fourth best pick is COMFEE 6-in-1 Stainless Steel Multi Cooker. With a 2-quart capacity, This is a compact multi-cooker that's perfect for small kitchens or anytime you need a portable one. Though it's small, it has 6 one-touch programs: white rice, brown rice, steam, slow cook, quinoa, and oatmeal. It can also still fit up to 8 cups of cooked rice and handle other everyday tasks like hard boiling eggs. It's made of durable, food-grade stainless steel, which is easy to clean by wiping it down with a cloth. The non-stick inner pot and all the included accessories, steaming tray, measuring cup, and serving spatula, are dishwasher safe. If you're concerned about safety, this model has built-in overheating protection. It also has cool touch handles to prevent contact with hot surfaces when opening the lid. Dimensions: 9 x 8.8 x 9.52 inches, capacity 2 quarts, wattage 650 watt. What we love: LED display, easy to clean. What we don't love: small capacity, less versatile than other models. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Deluxe Livenza all-in-one programmable multi-cooker. When looking at multi-cookers, they can all start to look the same. Many have a similar cylinder shape and some variation of stainless steel and black finish on the exterior, design cues from pressure cooking. This is why the Deluxe Livenza model stands out for its sleek and sophisticated design and interface. It's shaped much like a slow cooker, so it takes up more horizontal space than vertical space. This design is excellent for leaving out on the countertop instead of stowing away under the cabinet. The stainless steel finish and LCD screen add to the sophistication and the desire to show it off. For those looking for an intuitive multitasker, this model is easy to use. The left dial sets your program, while the right helps you set the exact temperature needed. While having several functions and settings is convenient, it can also be overwhelming. This Deluxe model has a simplified interface, making it easy to select one of the 5 cooking modes: brown and saute, steam, rice, bake, and slow cook. Once you're done, the internal handled pot is safe to go in the dishwasher. Dimensions: 12.4 x 18.1 x 10.8 inches, capacity 6 quarts, wattage 1350 watt. What we love: LCD screen, easy to clean, precisely calibrated temperature settings. What we don't love: pricey, only 5 cooking modes. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.